how to drill a straight hole with your Makita cordless drill. Now, for beginners, it's always difficult to drill a straight hole. What I recommend is getting above the actual drill here and looking down, but it still can go in one direction or another. It takes a lot of practice and years of experience to get this drill bit perfectly straight when you drill. And that's why I always recommend a drill guide. And what you do, you put your drill bit into the guide, into the hole it fits, and it fits snugly. You can see that's nice and snug. And what you then want to do is put this down, and this will not allow the drill bit, if this drill guide is pressed down, to go in any other direction, and you can drill a nice straight hole straight through the surface. So that's why I always recommend, if you're starting out, get a drill guide. You just pop it in, pop it down onto the surface and drill. And what this allows you to also do is see when you're above here looking down, the position of the drill when it's drilling straight. And eventually you won't need the drill guide, and you'll just be able to get out above, know the shape and drill. So hopefully that helps you out how to drill a straight hole with the Makita cordless drill. I'll leave a link to this drill guide in the description below. You can get many different sizes. Hopefully this video helps you out and it's not too confusing, and if it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.